Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order from the Emag app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Emag app and let's say I'm searching for a t-shirt and I like this one. You have to tap on the bottom on this blue button, add to your cart, but before you have to select your size. Tap on your size and tap on add to your cart. Then you have to go to your cart on the bottom in the middle, go to your cart. Then here you will have your order. Then tap on continue on the bottom. You have to confirm your address. After you confirmed, yes, then you have to tap on pay. Then you can add your card number, or you can pay when you're getting your package. You have to select here the payment method by tapping on it. Then you scroll down and tap on send order. After you tapped on it, then you paid and it will be shipped in a few days. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.